In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Baby Doge Coin in Trust Wallet. Now, the first thing you need to do will be to log into your Trust Wallet app. And once you land on the home screen, you need to check whether you can find Baby Doge. If you can't find it, you scroll to the top right corner of your screen where you can find the plus icon. You click on that. Now, what you need to do now will be to search for Baby Doge. So we're just going to say Doge. And now we can find it. You toggle the button, then we return back to the home screen, and when you check the bottom you would find Baby Doge. Now what you need to do next will be to click on Baby Doge, and once you click on that you will see send, receive, buy or swap. We click on buy. Immediately you click on buy, the minimum amount you can buy for Baby Doge is $30 US. So if, for example, I want to buy this, I will just click on pay with credit card. There are different methods that you can use to pay. You have credit card, you have digital wallet and Apple Pay. I'm just going to use credit card in this case. Then I click on buy with credit card. And once I do that, it redirects me to this website, that's simplex.com. And once the page is open, I can click on buy with card and include my card number, expiration number, CVV, and the name on the card. And I toggle save card for future use if I want that. And I also click on I have read and agree to the terms and condition, and you click on next. Once you click on next, it will show you the notification that you have purchased your Baby Doge coin in your Trust wallet. I hope this video is helpful. Follow for more.